Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for garden enthusiasts and anyone looking to maintain their outdoor space with ease. We found the Earthwise TC70025 electric tiller/cultivator, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Earthwise TC70025? This is a corded electric tiller and cultivator designed for small to mid-sized gardens. With a focused width of 7.5 inches and a depth of 6 inches, it's built to help you tackle soil preparation and weed control without the hassle of gas-powered alternatives. If you're someone who enjoys gardening but dreads the labor that comes with it, this could be the tool you've been looking for. Let's talk about the key features that make the Earthwise TC70025 stand out. At the heart of this tiller is a powerful 2.5 amp motor. This motor not only provides superior power but also ensures durability and consistent runtime. You won't have to worry about the tiller bogging down when you hit tougher soil. It's designed to handle various soil types with ease. The tiller is equipped with 4 durable steel tines that cultivate and till up to 7.5 inches wide and 6 inches deep. This makes it ideal for preparing your garden bed for planting or breaking up compacted soil. Whether you're planting vegetables, flowers, or just trying to maintain a weed-free zone, this tiller is up to the task. One of the standout features of the Earthwise TC70025 is its lightweight design. Weighing in at just a few pounds, this tiller is incredibly easy to operate for extended periods without causing fatigue. The single lever switch ensures that it starts every time without any hassle, making it very user-friendly, even for those who may not have much experience with garden equipment. Comfort is also a big factor to consider when using any gardening tool, and the Earthwise TC70025 delivers on that front as well. It features a soft ergonomic grip, allowing for comfortable operation, which is particularly important when you're working in your garden for hours on end. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you have a small to mid-sized garden or flower bed, this tiller is a great fit. It's especially beneficial for those who want an eco-friendly alternative to gas-powered equipment. With its electric design, you'll be doing your part for the environment while still getting the job done efficiently. Additionally, if you're someone who may struggle with heavier equipment, the lightweight nature of this tiller makes it accessible for all ages. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Picture yourself getting ready for spring planting. You can easily use the Earthwise TC70025 to prepare your garden beds by loosening the soil, mixing in compost, or removing weeds. It's also excellent for maintaining flower beds throughout the growing season, keeping them tidy and healthy. And if you have a few stubborn patches of weeds in your yard, this tiller can work as a fantastic weed control tool, making it easier to manage your landscape. In conclusion, the Earthwise TC70025 electric tiller/cultivator is a powerful, lightweight, and eco-friendly tool that makes gardening tasks much more manageable. Its durable design and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their gardening experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to